Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome to my channel. I just love being able to say that, like my channel, okay? So for this video, I figured why not start this off with a quick little get ready with me, you know? I'm not really doing much today. I have a couple errands to run, but you know, I wanted to be cute while doing it, so here we are. So yeah, let's just go on and get into this little beat, okay? Nothing crazy, nothing extravagant, you know. Not today, not today, for once. So to start, I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. I'm one of those people that does brows before foundation. That's the correct order. Oh snap, I completely forgot, but I like to prime before I do my eyebrows. I don't really put primer all over. It mainly just goes on my cheeks. It's like an illuminating primer. Ooh, that glow, okay now. But I don't need this all over because I will get oily throughout the day, especially my T-zone, and I don't need no more shine. This was the Becca Backlight priming filter, by the way. I love that. I love that thing, but not for, like I said, my T-zone. It don't go near the T-zone. It don't. It just don't. I never realized how eyebrowless I really am until I fill them in, because that's such a huge difference. Oh my god. So brows are, of course, when I decide to film something is when my eyebrows decide to play me. So to conceal, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline New Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I use the shade Caramel. And I'm going to take a little bit of it on this Morphe M432 brush and try to save these brows. I'm gonna use this Morphe M334 to blend out the concealer. I don't like to conceal the tops of my brows, but you know, if that's what you do, do you. I guess we can work with those. Brows are done. We're gonna go ahead and do foundation. I'm mixing two foundations. One of them is too dark for me, but like I still want to use it. I use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and then I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 400. With the Fenty, I just put a little. This isn't my exact shade. It's actually, it makes me look a little Donald Trump-ish, you know? That's not the look I'm going for personally. So boom, I'm gonna go back in with the Maybelline concealer. I'll put a little bit on my chin and a little bridge of my nose. And just, you know, a smidge on the forehead, not too much. My forehead is big to me, so we all need help. I am the type that goes back and forth between a brush and a sponge, just to really make sure I ain't got no harsh lines or nothing. You know, harsh lines and makeup, they don't go together, okay? I mean, that's oil and water, don't do it. Now that we are, you know, looking blended or whatever, I'm gonna use the NYX HD Concealer. I use the shade Cocoa to contour. I have no clue what this brush. Matter of fact, let me look it up. Oh, this is just a stippling brush from ColourPop. And I like to use this to blend in my contour. So now we got all of our liquid products on. We're gonna be setting the face. I like to use the, what is it called? The Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. These powders be making your girl look dry, okay? And I don't have time for that. But this powder right here, dry wear. I put this everywhere. Like, truthfully, look, everywhere. Boom. I am looking casket ready, to say the least. All right, so now to bronze, I am going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. I use the shade NW50. When I was getting into makeup, I thought that NW50 was like my foundation shade. And I have never been even close to NW50, ever. I put this everywhere. Back with that E6, just to really make sure everything is blended properly. No harsh lines. And there you have it. So I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera, and I will be back and I will let you guys know what lashes I end up putting on. Okay, so lashes are on. These are lashes by Lash 7. I use the style Baddie. I'll leave these linked down below. I freaking love these lashes. So to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Milani highlighter in the shade 04 Glowing. I never know what this is actually, what the shade is actually called. It looks so confusing. Or maybe I'm just dumb, you know, who knows? I live for a good nose highlight. Listen. Listen. Now, I will go back in with the brush I actually used for like contouring my face and just go back over that just to really blend it in with a highlighter. And then I'll go in with this E6 to make sure everything is nice and blended. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. To finish this off, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the universal one. There we have it. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited to get this channel started. Oh my god. Make sure you all subscribe. Leave a comment, you know. I will leave all the products I used down below in the description box as well in case I did forget to say something. But yeah, thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.